it's a great opportunity to get the chance to see him again. I met him before, but I was overwhelmed with feelings when I saw him today. Just wished him better health and long life and love. Well, I think he's a symbol of peace, and also sending out people, monks, individuals, trying to teach people about peace and overcoming peace. As UNESCO's special envoy, we work mostly with youth and women in order to be able to bring stability into their lives, for them to be able to deal with conflict, and also to start businesses for them. Because when people are in need, conflict occurs. And so we try to, we now have about 700 businesses that we've started, and about 2 million people that have visited us and worked with us. So we've been growing slowly and being a part of that movement of peace, love, and compassion is a great thing to do. So I felt very honored, what an honor to be here today. And my daughter came too, and that was made me so happy. She was so overwhelmed by it. It's made her so happy as well. So I've been given a lot of blessings here by the Tibetan people, and of course by His Holiness today. But more how it evolved in my heart, not because I don't spend a lot of time working. I think that was a discussion between two individuals. I was just moderating, having the lucky opportunity to moderate for him, and it's just a blessing.